fast it went though, because I've got, oh. Okay, don't run, please don't run. I have a food coupon, it's one per family.
Thank you.
Are you guys together? So I have a food coupon, it's one per family. Hang on to that today. Hi there. Are you two together? Okay. Food coupon, one per family. Hang on to your food coupon, okay? Have a good day. Are you all together? Okay, here's your food coupon. I got one. Okay, fantastic. Have you received a food coupon?
I live on Road to see again.
You got yours?
Shoes?
See a backpack? They got a bunch of them. Like the red one?
There you go.
Say thank you. Come on.
Can you try this on for me? Yes, you. Just this foot for now.
What is that? Three, stop.
Thank you. I know you can't work. 7.5.
Facebook, all of Wichita can see you.
How's the hair?
A new pair of shoes.
He got new shoes.
Awesome, look at this guy. He's got new shoes too. Let me see the shoes. Oh my God. Dude, those are sweet. Can I get a high five? Can I get a high five? Ah, he's thinking about it. Oh, I got a little one. I got a little one. All right, thanks, Dad. Thanks, man. Here we are.